Have you ever seen those viral gardening hacks online and wondered, does any of this actually work? Well, today, we're testing the internet's most viral gardening hacks to separate fact from total gardening nonsense. Some of these completely shocked me, and one of them might actually save your dying plants. Let's start with the famous banana peel fertilizer hack. The internet says banana peels can boost plant growth because they contain potassium and nutrients. So I chopped some up, buried them near my tomato plants, and waited. After a few weeks, the plants actually looked healthier and greener. But here's the catch. If you use too many banana peels, they attract pests and can start smelling terrible. So yes, it works, but only in moderation. Next up, using eggshells to stop slugs and snails. Apparently, the sharp shells create a barrier that pests won't cross. So I crushed eggshells around my lettuce plants and checked back later. Result? The slugs literally ignored them. Total myth. Now this hack surprised me. Starting seeds inside eggshells. Not only does it look cool, but the shells slowly add calcium to the soil after transplanting. And honestly, the seedlings grew amazingly well. Definitely worth trying. Now let's test one of the weirdest hacks online. Using potato water as fertilizer. After boiling potatoes, people claim the leftover water is packed with nutrients. I let the water cool and used it on my pepper plants. A few weeks later, the plants exploded with growth. This one actually worked way better than expected. But the craziest gardening hack? Using cinnamon on seedlings. Apparently, cinnamon helps prevent fungus and damping off disease. So I sprinkled cinnamon on one tray and left another untreated. The cinnamon tray had noticeably healthier seedlings. That one blew my mind. So after testing all these viral gardening hacks, some were complete nonsense, but a few genuinely worked and could save you money in the garden. Which gardening hack should I test next? Comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to Amazing Garden for more gardening tips, hacks, and tools that actually work.